Arifa Razak, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Cape Town. And my research is around intergenerational mobility in South Africa, specifically the geography of intergenerational mobility. And the policy relevance is that we have a number of place-based policies in South Africa, as well as a number of people-based policies. And the idea is, how do we get people access to opportunity by combining the two?
The policy question that my research hopes to inform is how to design effective affirmative action policies that involve firms as well.
I'm Chloe van Bouillon. I'm a tax justice officer at the Alternative Information and Development Centre. I'm working on understanding how much firms in South Africa underreport and evade on their taxes. And to do this, I'm estimating the corporate income tax gap for South Africa.
My research aims to contribute to the literature of tobacco taxation in South Africa. That is, understanding how excise taxes affects the industry, the tobacco industry, and also how it impacts on employment and other economic factors.
My name is Megan Shongwe. I am a PhD candidate from the University of Pretoria. My research is looking at the South Africa-China trade relationship and its implications on trade, particularly on firm growth, on employment, wages, and total sector productivity.
Our research focuses on trying to understand whether the South Africa growth plan is resilient to climate change, especially on how it affects employment.
My name is Tim Kohler. I'm a research fellow at the Development Policy Research Unit based in the School of Economics at the University of Cape Town. Our research seeks to estimate the effect of automation technologies on inequalities in earnings among workers who work within the same firm.